What made Australia launch a military operation against birds? In 1932, soldiers arrived with machine guns and still couldn't win. Western Australia, Great Depression, thousands of emus migrate into wheat farms, eating crops and crushing livelihoods. Farmers demand help, so the government treats it like a campaign. They send WWI veterans with 2 Lewis machine guns and piles of ammo. Press cameras roll, as if this is a real war recap. But here's where it gets crazy. The emus don't mass up. They split into tiny squads, sprinting, zigzagging like they're trained. The gunners fire from rough ground, then from a moving truck. Rattle, rattle, jam, miss. The birds vanish over ridges before the sights settle. Headlines explode. Army versus emus. After all the noise and rounds, the enemy is still everywhere. And the operation starts looking ridiculous. But that's not even the craziest part. The government doesn't declare victory. It quietly backs off, because you can't defeat scattered speed. The real solution wasn't bullets. It was bounties and better fencing, slow, unglamorous, effective. The Emu War ends, with humans admitting tactics matter. If you had 2 machine guns and thousands of rounds, what would you try next? Follow for more history bites. Follow for more history bites.